Hello, everyone. Mike Schoonover with the 812 Living Group at Keller Williams Realty. It's that time again. We have released our most recent market update for Southern Indiana real estate. Wanted to talk you through some of the numbers and give you a chance to get that full report. So let's take a look. All right, so we're coming out of a blistering hot spring and summer market that favored sellers. I think we're still there, but we're starting to see a little bit of a shift. Is it due to upcoming holiday season, or are we starting to see a true change in the market? So I wanted to show you a few of the charts that we've got in this month's report. Number of homes sold. As you can see in that early part of the year, number of homes sold up, up, up. We did take a little bit of a breather in August, back up in September. In October, we had a little bit of a dip. So, houses still selling good, still strong market, but we are seeing a little bit of a pullback in October. So we'll continue to watch that trend going forward. The number of homes for sale. So when you're buying, buyers who are actively looking, this is the number of houses that are actively for sale that they can buy. And so again, the trouble that we've had for the last couple of years is that there is a lack of inventory. There's a lack of listings. You can see January, February, March, April, May, and June, we were below 300 active listings for Clark, Floyd, and Harrison counties. That's from Salem to the river. So we're literally almost no houses for sale if you're looking to buy. Now, since then, starting in July, we've seen an uptick for 3 months. And again, a little bit of a pullback in October. Right now, we're hovering on either side of the 400 houses for sale mark in those three counties that we talked about earlier. So again, inventory is still low, but we're seeing a little bit of a pullback again heading into the winter months. Average sale price. So this is one to keep an eye on. We've just had this long run of steadily increasing home prices. Values are going up. Sellers are getting multiple offers, lots of stuff going on there. You can't see it from this chart, but it's worth noting. Went ahead and put the table in here so we can see 255,709 was the average sale price in September, 255,624. So it's not a huge drop, but we are seeing prices starting to level off again. Now, again, is that seasonality that we're seeing, or is that the start of a bigger trend? We'll keep an eye on it. Mortgage rates. We are right back where we were a year ago. 30-year fixed, right around that 3% mark. 15 years around just over 2.25%. Essentially flat from a year ago. Rates holding steady. Rates still at historic lows. So that's good news for buyers that those are still steady. Here's another key indicator that we've added to this month's report. We haven't had it in the last few. Days on market. How long is it taking for a house to sell from the time it goes on the market to the time it closes? A little bit of a change here. So again, the lower the number of days, typically that means there's more demand, things sell faster. Again, if you were in this market to buy, things were moving super quick. This is without new construction. So this is a true number of resale homes, days on the market. Look at this, the trend, the last 3 months starting to slowly increase. Again, the right house, the right community, right price, still selling pretty quickly, but we are starting to see an uptick in how long houses are selling, which means we're seeing an uptick in the number of price reductions that houses are getting before they go under contract. Again, not a huge change, but definitely something to keep an eye on. Definitely could be a breath of fresh air for some buyers. What does all this mean? We've got this in our full report for our buyers. Just summary, we still are in a strong market. It still seems to be slanted towards sellers, but there is some change here that may help buyers come down the path. We're going to have to see. It's going to be an interesting holiday season. See what real estate does late November all the way through the new year. And then we'll see how we come out on the other side. But Happy New Year. Happy Merry Christmas. Have a good Thanksgiving. Our next report will come out middle of January. But if you want to get a full copy of this, email us 812living@gmail.com, 812living@gmail.com. Thanks. Hey, if you'd like to have updates on Southern Indiana events, news, and real estate information you can use delivered directly to your email inbox, visit us at 812living.com/blog. That's 812living.com/blog and sign up for alerts.